Hi, I'm Thomas. In my gigs, I offer training, consulting, and development, focusing on ChatGPT. What is it, what is possible, and how to use it? I also show how to build customized GPTs, for example, using your own data. Additionally, I provide classroom trainings and presentations for companies. On the other hand, I develop external GPTs that you can use outside the ChatGPT platform. For instance, in your company, or to offer a service bot to your customers. For building external GPTs, in many cases it's not necessary to write code. Today there are professional no-code tools available on the market to build customized GPT apps in only a couple of hours. The GPTs can be customized based on your own data, can be fully integrated into your website, or can be shared with other people. I provide both consulting and development of AI apps. If you are interested in my services or want to discuss your project with me, please feel free to contact me or leave me a message.